And hello, boys and girls. This is Guy Bullfrog 79, aka Uncle Al. Like, subscribe, hit the little button. What's they call them? Buttons. Hit the little buttons. Like and subscribe. Watch my videos, all of them. Today we're going to do. Oh, notification bell. Yeah, hit the notification bell. Today, Uncle Alan's going to do a little care package. Before we're going to do the care package for LA Prepper, because he wants to go out in the woods and be adventurous. Oh, Uncle Alan just gets in his car and drives out there. I only live 36 minutes away from it, State Park. Okay. First, some shout outs. Last Cast Fishing. Yeah, you finally came through. I'm giving a big shout out. Did you know that sometimes when we try to subscribe on you or we get notifications, you come up as spam, so please check that out. Dakota Prepper, seen some of your videos, last two, very good. And I would get rid of that AK. It's a piece of garbage. Try getting something else. I would recommend Mini 14 in the same caliber. Works wonderful. Just check around. Yeah, let's see. If you can, folks, another big shout out to Walker Outdoors. Please send him your love. Hit like, subscribe. He's now doing live casts or live stream. And then Mike Hetton's Survival and Prepping. Let's get these guys up. Walker Outdoors, Mike Hetton's Survival and Prepping. Let's get their numbers up. Go join them. Get your friends. Tell them to join over there. We're not going to let YouTube defeat us. And this is a care package to LA Prepper. Next couple of days, I got to go to the hospital. Well, it's not feeling too hot. So let's get this care package, and I found a box. Okay, got the box. Let's see what we're going to send to LA Prepper. First of all, we're getting him a pocket knife. You can see that. Gotta get my high-tech filter. Yeah. Get him a pocket knife. And it's only 4 1/4, so you don't kill yourself. Blades under 3 inches. Cook kit. All wrapped up. Raincoat. Saw. Field dressing. Other part of the cook kit. It's actually a small pizza plate, but it's good as a serving plate to eat outdoors. And you know what you can do with one of these? No, you don't throw it like that. You put it over a fire or your little camp stove. Yes, I got you, a camp stove. Little camp stove, and you cook fish on it. Or pancakes, whatever. It's metal. So you cook things on it. Kitchen measures. Yes, we even got you a candle lantern. See that lantern? And a mug. This is when you put it on the stove, okay? This is called a boiler. All right, to clean water. You put your dirty water in there, boil the water, becomes pure, pour it into a canteen. Now, this right here, this is a fuel bottle. It's not a canteen. Do not use this as a canteen. A stove. Look on the YouTube for one of these. A stove. Now, Kaylin Strange would drool over this because this is a stove. This goes in there. Stove. Stove. And this is a Polish stove. Okay? Getting too old for this. And finally, a shovel. Shovel. Dig, chop. Okay, shovel. English, shovel. Okay, to make your campfire. And we're going to get that out to you after I wrap it up and figure out a way to ship it out to you. So please don't freak out. Just wait and check your mail. Okay, boys and girls, like and subscribe to Uncle Alan. And like and subscribe to his channel. Uncle Alan's not feeling too hot, so I got to sign out from here. Never be old and ill. Take lots of medication.